Hey, everyone is seeing, you're sitting at your desk, laptop open, and you're about to make a financial transaction. But instead of heading to a traditional bank branch, you do it all online. Hook. Have you ever wondered if banks could be more convenient? More transparent? More digital? That's where Monzo comes in. Building context. Cut to a montage of people using their smartphones for various tasks, ordering food, booking travel, and, yes, managing their finances. In today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, we expect everything to be at our fingertips. And why should our finances be any different? Defining Internet banks. Transition to a whiteboard or digital presentation with the title, What is an Internet bank? An Internet bank, also known as a digital bank or online bank, is a financial institution that operates exclusively online. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar banks, they don't have physical branches. Instead, they provide all their services through their website or mobile app. Key features of Internet banks. List key features of Internet banks on a whiteboard or presentation. Convenience, 24/7 access to your accounts. Lower fees, often offer lower fees compared to traditional banks. Enhanced security, employ advanced security measures to protect your funds. Customization, allow you to personalize your banking experience. Is Monzo an Internet bank? Transition to a screen showing the Monzo app. Now, let's dive into the question at hand, is Monzo an Internet bank? Answer the question with a clear yes. Monzo is a leading example of an Internet bank. It was founded in 2015 with the mission to make banking fairer and simpler. By offering a fully digital experience, Monzo has disrupted the traditional banking industry. Monzo's unique features. Highlight specific features that make Monzo stand out. Real-time notifications, get instant alerts for every transaction. Potting, easily set aside money for specific goals. Fee-free spending abroad, enjoy foreign currency transactions without hidden fees. Community-driven, Monzo actively engages with its customers through social media and forums. Benefits of using Monzo. Discuss the advantages of using Monzo over traditional banks. Convenience, manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Transparency, easily track your spending and budgeting. Savings, potentially save money on fees and interest rates. Customer service, benefit from Monzo's responsive and helpful support. Addressing concerns. Anticipate and address common concerns about Internet banks, such as security and customer support. Many people worry about the security of Internet banking. But Monzo uses industry-leading encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect your funds. And if you ever need assistance, Monzo's customer support team is available 24/7 through in-app chat or social media. Conclusion. Recap the key points discussed in the video. In conclusion, Monzo is indeed an Internet bank that offers a convenient, transparent, and secure way to manage your finances. With its innovative features and commitment to customer satisfaction, Monzo has become a popular choice for many people looking for a modern banking experience. Call to action. Encourage viewers to learn more about Monzo and consider switching to digital banking. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional banking, I encourage you to explore Monzo and see how it can simplify your financial life. Visit their website or download the app to get started. Closing. End the video with a strong closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.